right, check this out, the bad grass dude, folks. What should we call? We should be like something to do with the lawn, right? Like lawn dudes and women. Anyway, so check this out. This is my own house, by the way. Just let's take in the views real quick. It's a real crappy day actually, so next time it'll be a lot better. But today's agenda for the lawn care folks of the world, this is the kind of stuff we run into. So that right there is the sprinkler pipe. So we have this tree and these trees. I'm not going to do anything with those yet because they're not causing a problem. But this tree, I have a leak right under the whole entire tree. So I was going to dig down and try to see if I could get underneath it and fix it. I've already had to cut out a bunch of roots. So all in all, we are actually just going to tear this tree out. So my goal here is we're going to dig around this little section and we are going to start cutting roots. And then we're going to yank it out. And then we're going to fix the sprinklers. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do a sprinkler repair after we get to the pipe. First, we got to get to the pipe. So stay tuned. We'll dig some holes. I'll show you. I'm not going to show everything, but like I said, first things first, let's dig a hole. Now, let's see if I can do this correctly without something breaking and smashing a window.
I was thinking that wasn't that tall.
A window in the Jeep?
How about climb that tree?
Okay.
No.
Let go. Mom's trying to.
All right, we're going
What's the matter?
to pull this out, or at least try to put some pressure on it to see where we're still hooked up. But we got some roots. Actually, yeah, so I cut through that one. We got a bunch cut out, so here we go. Anyway, so we got the tree out, and as you can see, there's something hooked here to it. That, folks, is my main line. So this is my main sprinkler line right here. This is coming in from the street back there. So this is my main water line, and you can see it pulled out this pipe.
Here.
So I don't know where this pipe goes, but this job just got harder. All right, folks, check this out. So we're gonna do another video on the repair, but I've got to get this dug up. As you can see, there's the pipe that we cut out of the root, So it goes underneath the fence. This is my wood pile here. I need to get rid of this junk. What a perfect opportunity to get rid of this junk. But you can see that pipe runs all the way down here. So somewhere in this vicinity is where this pipe, I'm gonna have to dig a trench along that fence. So we're gonna dig it up. I called my buddy with his Mini X. He's gonna maybe come over, take a look at it, see if he can do it with that. If not, I'll hand dig it, but I figure why not just pay him to come do it. But yeah, fun stuff. And sometimes we deal with this. Unfortunately, this here is at my own house, so it kind of sucks. But stay tuned for the next video. We'll show you the repairs that we do on that line.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling